All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cardano family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with ADA. I did make a market analysis update not too long ago. If you watched it, you kind of know what's going on. And if you missed that, we're going to be talking about that, talking about ADA specifically, talk about some of the targets, of course. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And of course, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these updates. So, it's been a sea of red, as you can see, but, Fartcoin came out of nowhere, up 25%. I want to actually fact check that to see if this is not a glitch, but over the last 1 hour you have seen a little bit of an uptick within the crypto markets. That is great to see, but still, we need to see Bitcoin hit specific levels, and I'm going to kind of talk about all of that shenanigans. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So yeah, it is up that much. Shout out to anyone that's obviously holding Partcoin, which is insane to me. But yeah, looking at the price of ADA, 92.1 cents, guys, down 6% in USD, down 4.4% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at about $32.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.5 billion. Not bad, to be quite frank with you, in terms of the price. Even though we have seen major volatility recently, the price of ADA continuously is showing bullish strength. And I know a lot of people are scratching their heads right now, saying, hey, Crypto ZX, what in the world are you talking about here? Where do you see, the positive strength for, Cardano? Cardano's going down, the market is going down, and you're out here saying the Cardano price looks good. Settle down, guys. Settle down. We're going to talk about that. But yeah, looking at the dominance index, and again, if you watch the market analysis update, you kind of are familiar as to what's really happening. But if not, the dominance has, seen a major upside right now. And, we're retesting the significant key resistance for the dominance. And if you watch my channel on a daily basis, you guys know you don't want to see this resistance breaking out for the dominance, because this means more pain for altcoins. So, of course, dominance has gone up quite a bit. It has gone up due to Bitcoin having a sharp pullback today, down to $90,000. And if you watch my updates over the last few days, you guys know I talk about the 23.6 fib zone quite a bit, and we've been obviously keeping a close eye on the different retests that we have seen at the 23.6 and the possibility of us breaking below it. And we actually did break below it, made our way down to the likes of $89,200. Honestly, for the first time since November. So major weakness still, even though the price of Bitcoin is back in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. It's beautiful to see, of course. But, I still have this gut feeling that you could see, this being a complete fake out as well. Because, of course, whales are going to step in as you see more and more people getting bearish, more people starting to short. This is where, whales step in and just completely shake out all these leverage positions. So, again, a continuous reminder: if you're new to the markets or if you've been in this space, obviously, if you follow my channel, you guys know I'm against leverage trading big time, because these types of moves can literally wipe out all your holdings. Learn from me, guys. I've been in this space for 8 years. I used to be that, and I literally lost my positions all completely due to these stupid leverage platforms, and just saw my coins literally go back to where they were. But due to manipulation, your positions can be wiped out. So I would suggest you guys, if you are in the crypto space, stay away from leverage trading platforms. If you are interested in cryptocurrency projects, obviously do your due diligence research and spot purchase and actually hold your coins rather than leverage trading, because I'm totally against it. I've been offered thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm not going to obviously name which exchanges to promote it, but I would never do that. And yeah, so pretty much stay away from leverage trading. And now, if you're looking at ADA, so going back to what I said, ADA is not looking as bad. And I know a lot of people want to get a little bit of more clarification from where I'm coming from. And at the end of the day, this is all my personal opinion, as you guys know. But here's what I want to show you guys. Let's go on the hourly time frame. So, of course, right now, first and foremost, the price of ADA is still in the the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Reason why I think ADA price is looking really good is because let's kind of go back on the 20th of December. The 20th of December, where was the price of ADA? Obviously, we saw this wick happen for the overall the whole market, not just Cardano. We wicked down to 76.2 cents. And right now we're sitting at about 92.4 cents. So let's go back on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, retraced down to $90,485 on, actually, sorry, that's not it. So we retested the 92.4 back on, of course, the 20th. Look what happened. number one, 20th of December. Here, let's kind of look at it. Dominance was higher. Of course, dominance went higher, which of course in return means altcoins will drop much more than Bitcoin. But if you kind of compare, the two, not a big difference. So it's not a major difference between the two. We're pretty much very close. Obviously, it's about like a 1.5%, move for the dominance to get to that level. But you are pretty much similar to where Bitcoin is currently sitting at right now. And not only that, the most important thing that I want to tell you guys is even though the dominance is not at the level of the 20th December, you saw Bitcoin going to $89,200 roughly. And from the December 20th low, that is a move of an additional 4%. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, that's only a 4% move, guys. Believe it or not, that is quite a large drop for Bitcoin. And with dominance sitting at about 58.5%, this is going to have a negative impact on the altcoin market. And that's exactly what we saw happen today. As you can see, a lot of coins down, even though they are recovering over the last 1 hour, as the market is seeing a little bit of a bounce. You have seen altcoins go down 10 to even 11% depending on which coin you're looking at. And now if you're looking at ADA is nowhere close to that wick back to December 19th. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, that is still an additional move of about 18% from where we currently are. So it's showing a significant strength. And I've spoken to you guys about that literally just last week. We were sitting at a $1.15. $1.15. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, who cares about this crypto ZX? The reason why this is such a big deal is because we're very, very close to retesting the yearly high that we set for ourselves last month in the year of 2025. And obviously we are below the $1 price point. You guys know it's a psychological price point. We did retest that literally 2 days ago. Got a rejection due to, Bitcoin's volatility, as you can see this for yourself. And, obviously we saw a retracement, but so far so good. I'm really liking this momentum still. And again, obviously we're facing some key resistance right now. If this resistance is able to break out, I have a strong feeling ADA recovers really fast, in my opinion. Going into, when Donald Trump takes over into the office, I really do believe if ADA continues to hold around this range and the market reacts in a positive way, I do believe ADA could still retest that $1.50 that we've been looking at. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here right now. Still showing a lot of strength, but pay very close attention to Bitcoin. Even though the price of Bitcoin has just gotten back into the 23.6 fib zone, we still need to kind of, give Bitcoin a little bit more time to kind of make up its mind. And then, before we start getting too excited. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you watch this video all the way till the end, in order for me to know that you watched it till the end, please comment down below. What could we comment? Cookies. There we go. I love cookies, and I'm sure everyone else does. Go grab yourself a cookie. So let me know in the comments, and obviously comment down below cookies if you've watched this video till the end. And love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.